Are you looking for the best shop stool? In this video we will look at some of the best shop stools on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, WEN £73,012 Rolling Mechanic Stool Seat. This shop stool comes from a pretty famous brand, WEN. The design of this stool may seem ordinary to you, but the internal mechanism is what makes the actual difference. When it's come to the build quality, the steel frame construction of this pneumatic stool has the capacity to carry 300 pounds, making it an ideal and sturdy low rolling stool. The comfort level is also great as it features multi-layer padding as well as thick and absorbent vinyl wrapped cushion. In addition, the durable swiveling casters allow omnidirectional movement, making it easy to move around the garage or workshop. Things get more convenient with an onboard tool storage tray that provides easy access to the tools you need. Moreover, you can adjust the height to your preference at the pull of a lever. This shop stool comes from a pretty famous brand, WEN. The design of this stool may seem ordinary to you, but the internal mechanism is what makes the actual difference. When it's come to the build quality, the steel frame construction of this pneumatic stool has the capacity to carry 300 pounds, making it an ideal and sturdy low rolling stool. The comfort level is also great as it features multi-layer padding as well as thick and absorbent vinyl wrapped cushion. Pros: durable steel construction. Swiveling casters allow omnidirectional movement. Comfortable and absorbent vinyl protected multi-layered padding seat. Height adjustable lever. Onboard tool storage tray. Cons: need better build quality for professional use. Number 2, Seville Classics UltraHD Pneumatic Work Stool. For those that want a bit of freedom to move around, the Seville Classics rolling shop stool fits the bill. With a seat height that adjusts from 24 to 28.25 inches, think of it as a combination of a mechanic's creeper seat and stationary shop stool. The 14-inch padded seat swivels a full 360 degrees and has a carbon fiber style cover that looks great in any setting. 4 2-inch casters allow you to move to different stations or work areas, and 2 of the casters can lock so you won't accidentally move around when you don't want to. Overall construction stacks up well against the competition, and this stool is a good match with one of our favorite workbenches. The biggest negative is probably the seat. While it's cushioned, some heavier individuals say the edges of the seat top are not soft enough and tend to hurt the backs of their legs. This is due to the seat surface being flat instead of having a slight dome shape. Also, the casters aren't the best quality, but they can be easily, and inexpensively, upgraded with a quick trip to the hardware store. This stool is the perfect combination of a stationary shop stool and a mechanic's creeper seat. It allows free movements and swivels at 360 degrees. Better still, the height of the chair is adjustable from 25.5 inches to 29.75 inches. The pneumatic adjustment of the stool is designed for ease of use. You can use it not only on your workstation, but also your garage, home bar, men cave, or kitchen. Pros: brushed 443 stainless steel seat, swivels 360 degrees, heavy-duty chrome-plated steel legs, pneumatic seat height adjustment. Cons: the pneumatic mechanism may not work properly if you are overweight. Number 3, WorkPro Heavy Adjustable Hydraulic Shop Stool. This stool is designed to allow users maximum flexibility. It rotates 360 degrees and has a load capacity of 330 pounds. What's more is that the soft, well-padded seat has a diameter that is a little shy of 14 inches. The height of the stool can be hydraulically adjusted from 29 to 34 inches. This allows you to set the perfect height to ensure maximum comfort when working. In case you are in search of a no-frills, durable, and heavy-duty shop stool, this is one of the best products there is in the markets. It is hard not to notice that the overall design of the chair is sophisticated. Fortunately, This does not mean that its assembly process is challenging. Simply take the time to go through the instructions manual carefully and adjust your stool to an ideal height after assembly. This 360-degree swiveling stool is excellent for general tasks at the workbench or working on vehicles elevated by a car lift. The heavy-duty construction will support up to 330 pounds and the stool has a padded seat measuring just under 14 inches in diameter. You can hydraulically adjust the height of the seat from 29 to 34 inches to get that perfect height for your workbench. If you want a good, durable, no-frills shop stool, the WorkPro is hard to beat. Available in black and bright green, but we expect 99% of buyers will choose the black. Pros: 360-degree rotation for enhanced flexibility. Seats are soft and well padded. Heavy-duty structure. Hydraulic seat height is also adjustable. 330 pounds, 150 kgs. Load capacity. Cons: to prevent assembly problems, you need a special tool to tighten the screws. Number 4. Seville Classics Stainless Steel Topwork Stool. This stool is the perfect combination of a stationary shop stool and a mechanic's creeper seat. It allows free movements and swivels at 360 degrees. Better still, the height of the chair is adjustable from 25.5 inches to 29.75 inches. The pneumatic adjustment of the stool is designed for ease of use. Just squeeze the gas air lever to adjust the height of your seat quietly and quickly. This stool has a unique construction, and instead of having a cushioned seat, it is a brushed 443 stainless steel seat. It also has 4 chrome-plated steel legs and an inbuilt footrest. Chrome coating protects the legs against corrosion and makes it easy to clean. The overall construction of the chair makes it the best work stool in the current market. Everything from its sturdiness to its design stacks up well against the competition. Because the chair has a load capacity of 300 pounds, you can use it not only on your workstation, but also your garage, home bar, men cave, or kitchen. Pros: brushed 443 stainless steel seat, swivels 360 degrees, heavy-duty chrome-plated steel legs, pneumatic seat height adjustment. Cons: the pneumatic mechanism may not work properly if you are overweight. Number 5. Northern Tool Adjustable Swivel Shop Stool. Northern Tool makes one of the best shop stools with backrest that will blow your mind with its appearance. The black shop stool is very stylish looking, that will accentuate the interior of your garage. Not only that, the build quality and other features are also encouraging the users to purchase this stool. To begin with, the stool is a multi-purpose stool that you can use for garage, regular shop, gaming, and so on. Hence, the steel-based material assures the sturdiness and durability of the item so that you can use it casually for any purposes. Then, to add comfort to your regular usage, the stool comes with a padded vinyl seat and backrest. This shop stool by well-known Northern Tool has a durable padded vinyl seat and backrest with a matte powder-coated finish. Unlike many similar 360-degree swiveling stools, the backrest is both adjustable and removable for maximum comfort and functionality. You can adjust this comfortable 14-inch diameter seat from a height of 29 to 33 inches, providing excellent standing height comfort. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.